2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, air conditioning, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, steel wheels, split bench seat, telematics, HID headlights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.